It all started like a fairy tale. The thought of another woman in your arms slowly kills me inside. Hours of loneliness seems to drag forever, resulting in hopeless days with no sign of you still. I try so hard to grab you in my imagination, hoping to feel the comfort of your arms once more. Your breath that kept me warm at all times. But then I realized it's too late. You are gone and so far away from me. I try so hard to grab you in my imagination, hoping to feel the comfort of your arms once more. I try so hard to adjust my emotions, wiping the uncontrollable tears dripping down my face. And then, deep inside, I feel so lonely, desperately searching for my missing part. Mind overloaded with bunches of confusion, dying to realize how I lost you. Your absence can't be hidden, it's true. Sadness and eyes of loneliness always there to report. No good morning, no good night text like I'm used to. Unforgettable memories lies in my brains. All the good and bad moments we heard. The surprise wifey birthday party, our Valentine baby, and the uncountable work night overs always give me enough reason to never let you go. You are my angel, my true love. I know I've never told. Every single day, you give me 1,000 reasons to smile. I know you're a dreamer, and I'm still hoping to witness all your dreams come true. A man every other woman will wish to have. I feel so jealous to even watch one claim you. Forgive me, I'm crying. I know you never want to see me in pain, but there's no point in me smiling when it hurts to see our love fade away, us broken apart, and our future dreams tarnished into pieces. I know it hurts to love you, but I'm ready to keep my promise. Keep your love with all the pain it comes with, and never let you go, no matter what. I love you